Hi, I'm Mr. Worker.
Introducing the Festool 575781 Table Saw TKS 80 EBS 2200W. Your fingers are invaluable, and this saw prioritizes your safety with its responsive sensor and integrated SawStop technology. Need flexibility? Enjoy an impressive 80mm cutting height and an extendable work surface for those larger projects. Experience splinter-free cuts with the swiveling saw blade, and breathe easy with the dust extraction attachment that keeps your workspace clean and clear. Plus, the convenient tool garage offers optimal storage for all your accessories. Whether you are cross-cutting or rip-cutting, the Festool 575781 delivers precision and power. Elevate your craftsmanship today.
Mr. Worker. Work tools for professionals.